welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day out there today. I hope you're having a really good Friday. We are going to be unboxing a Profusion Mystery box. I'm pretty excited about this because Profusion has mystery boxes. I didn't even know that that was a thing, but I'm excited about it because Profusion has amazing products. And if I guess you want to like be surprised and you want to try it out, then I figured why not? Let's try it out. Let's unbox it. Let's see what we get. I love Profusion. I use their products all the freaking time, so they are bomb. That is what we're going to do today. I hope you're excited. It's going to be a fun, quick video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I'm going to keep this intro real quick. Also, don't forget to hit the bell so you guys stay notified for when I upload, and we're going to jump right into today's video. I have a huge box, like a big box, full of Profusion stuff. So I ordered this a while ago. It is on sale right now. It used to be $50 and now it is $25, but it is a big old box right here. So we're gonna start by opening it up. All the products come in this like big thing. So we can get rid of the box because it was taking up way too much room. So let me cut this bad boy open and we're gonna go through the box. So I'm just gonna grab a product and pull it out and we're gonna see what it is. The first product is the Profusion Glitter Glam Nude Eye Cheek Palette, which this looks really, really cute. This is what the packaging looks like. When you open it up, you get like a nice nude palette here, and then you have like some blushes, and I think a highlighter, which is really nice. I like both of the blushes, and you get a nice brush in here. This is what the brush looks like. It definitely feels very cheap, but Profusion brushes are really, really nice. So this is a nice blending brush, so I will definitely be using that. I like this. I think this is really cute. A really good like travel palette. Like you can just throw this and you have your blush, your highlighter, and some nude shade. That's really all you need. So I do really like that. I will definitely use that for sure. I have scissors. So these are professional nail scissors from Profusion, which I do have these ones, which I bought from Shop Missy, but I literally lose them all the time, and I really like their gold, so you can see, and they have like a little bit of an angle so you can cut their thing. These are great for like cutting lashes and stuff like that, so these are great. I really like that. That's a good thing to be included into this box. Next one is a brush. This one is the Pro Small Eyeliner Brush. That's what that looks like. I'm gonna open it up and see what it is, because it kind of looks like a lip brush. So that's what that looks like. It definitely is like more of a lip brush than I would say like a small eyeliner brush, but you could definitely use it for like putting shimmers on, but I would definitely use this for lips. But I do like that. I'll use that. I mess with that. That's really, really good. Ooh, next we have the Classics palette for Profusion. So these are really nice. They have like a bunch of different colors. Like they have like rubies, emeralds, like they break it down like that. And so this one is a classic one, so you get really nice colors, nice shimmers. I like that there's a black in here. That's always good. So on the back of this, there's a Marshall sticker for $3.99, which is kind of weird that they would include like with it. Like I ordered this off of their website, so it's a little weird, but I do like this. I'll use it. I think it's nice. Next one we have Rose Gold Look. That's what this one is. A lot of neutrals, which I understand like they don't want to give you like crazy colors because the majority of people use neutrals. You do get a brush in here, which is double-sided, which I really like. This is what the brush looks like. You have a blending brush on one side and almost like a placement brush on this side, which is really good to just like blend out and then like put the shimmer down, which I really like this brush. This is what this one looks like. You get pretty like natural pinky tones, and then again you have like a blush and like two highlighters. This might be a highlighter too, but like I feel like you can use it for a blush. That's really nice. So the next one is eyeliner. So this is the Profusion eyeliners. The like Profusion logo looks way different, so I feel like this is very old. But this is formulated to glide on effortlessly, withstand the most extreme conditions. It stays put on eyelids without melting for precise application and intense color throughout the day. So I got a brown and a black. Do you see like the brand Profusion? It's like very old. It's a black sharpenable pencil, and these feel very creamy. You got a brown and a black one. They do feel really creamy. The black one looks very, very black, so I will definitely use those. So next one is Brows on Point, and this looks like a brow kit. This is what it looks like. You get brow stencils, brow gel, a little 3 different powders for your brows, angled brush and a spoolie, and an eyebrow pencil, and a like tweezer, which is right here, which is really cute. The angled brush is definitely very, very cheap. Like the bristles are frayed, but I would use it for the spoolie. So I definitely will keep that. The clear brow gel I'll definitely try. The brow powder, I don't really use brow powder anymore. The tweezers definitely keep because you can never have enough tweezers. But everything else I don't think I'd use. So I don't know about that one. That was definitely very, very cheap. Next one is the Profusion Perfect 10 Nude 10 color eyeshadow. Again, very neutral we're talking here. So that is what this one looks like. Pretty. You do get like a black eye pencil, and then you get like 2 like the sponge applicators, which is not bad. Again, Profusion's shadows are great. I like their shadows a lot. Okay, so the last one is a big ass thing. So this is called the Profusion Treasure Box. And when you open it up, whoa. When you open it up, it's basically something from the 90s, I would say. So you get like a bunch of eyeshadows, some powder down here, it looks like a contour shade, 2 blushes, a bunch of lipsticks and pans, and then you have like a couple sponge applicators right here. So this is definitely not something I would use. Definitely not my cup of tea. So I might just end up donating this or giving it away to someone. It feels like they just threw everything into a box and like, was like, here you go. Wish they added like more colors. Like I wish they gave you like palettes that had colors in it, because having like 5 neutral palettes, I really wish they incorporated color, because Profusion has is pretty much known for their palettes that have a lot of color. So I would have liked to see a little bit more of that. And for the price, to be honest with you, I was not impressed by this mystery box. It was originally $50 and then they lowered the price down to $25. But all this stuff is very, very cheap. I know Profusion is cheap, but I would have liked to see like the Festival palette or the Love Struck palette, like their newer palettes instead of like older stuff, which those are only $13. And I feel like that would have been nice to see one of those really nice palettes in here. I have the Festival one, I have the Love Struck, but I don't have the Mirage one. And those are beautiful, colorful palettes. I do understand that they're putting neutral palettes in here because not everybody uses color, like me. And a lot of people do use color, but I'm saying like not the majority of people wouldn't use like colorful eyeshadow. So you're having like a mystery box. I understand that aspect of it, but everything in here definitely feels very cheap. And that's not a bad thing. I just feel like Profusion has amazing freaking products. Like I just ordered the same order that I ordered the mystery box. I got these Profusion Bright Lights UV neon liners. Also their glitter liners are amazing. So they have like really nice palettes. I feel like this was just kind of like the stuff that you find in like Marshalls and stuff like that like isn't really that new. So yeah. I'm pretty disappointed though, because I thought there was gonna be really nice stuff. I mean, like, I know it's a mystery box from like a drugstore makeup company, so that's kind of like what do you expect, but I would have liked to seen more of their, I guess, unique items, not so much like their bulk items. Maybe that does make sense. Anyway, but that is how I feel. I would not recommend that you get this mystery box. Some mystery boxes are so freaking good, and others are just like, ugh. So I don't recommend it for you. Let me know down below if there's any other mystery boxes that you want to see on my channel, or anything from Profusion that you want me to try out. I love Profusion. I really want them to come out with like a foundation, a concealer. Like I'm really waiting for their face products to come out. I hope you guys have a really good weekend. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me some comments down below. I hope you have a good one, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.